everyone, I am Dr. Vandna Raghava, faculty of BBA department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic of impact of technology. Technology is one of the most dynamic forces that has been shaping the destiny of mankind all over the world and in all walks of human life. The economic, social and other implications of technology are stated below. First, we will discuss about high productivity. Technology has resulted in increased productivity both in terms of quantity and quality. And quantity improvement in productivity leads to reduction in the cost and price of products and services. Real wages of employees also tends to increase due to gain in productivity. The next one is global competitiveness. Technological process helps to improve the competition of business firms due to reduction in cost and improvement in quality level. For example, e-business expands consumer base and helps to reduce marketing costs. Research and development has become therefore an important means of gaining market share in global competition. Next one is changing job profile. Jobs tends to be upgraded or become more intellectual with advancement in technology. For example, with computerization of banks and post offices, electrical jobs can no longer be handled by an unskilled employee. A computer literate and competent employee is required. Introduction of new technology requires retention of employees and rehabilitation of unattainable and displaced people. Technological process makes jobs more challenging and rewarding. Technology influences workflows which in terms determining interaction among people in the organization. Thus, technology and indirectly determine what individual in word group feel and think about one another and about their work situation. Now the next is need for multi-skilling and multitasking. Modern business requires managers who possess multiple skills and can perform multiple tasks. For example, an engineering degree alone is not sufficient for a working manager and he needs to possess in addition a degree in management. Technological process has led to more complex and more demanding business. That is why corporate now prefer people from managerial jobs and who had expertise in both technology and management. Nextly, difficulty in motivation. Due to increased percentage of knowledge workers, financial incentives are no longer enough for motivating the staff to hard work. Technocrats needs jobs which provide job satisfaction and opportunities for growth and achievement. It is also more difficult to retain knowledge and professional employees. Job hopping has increased and quick promotion and participation decisions making are required. The next is increasing needs for capital. Modern technology requires huge amount of funds and intervention. Increasing needs for capital. Modern technology requires huge amount of funds and inventions, innovation and training. Business firms have to exploit all possible sources to raise the needed fund. Rational allocation of utilization of fund is also necessary. Qualified and honest managers are required to ensure efficient and honest management of financial affairs of business organizations. Increasing excellence. New technology creates new products and businesses, but it also destroys existing product and business life cycle of products have become shorter, requiring regular creation and development of new products. As existing equipments and technical skills also become obsolete on account of change in technology. Modernization or technological upgradation and retaining program are necessary for sustaining efficiency and quality. The last one is social implication. Technological advancement helps to make the society more affluent. More affluent consumers have higher expectations from business. Technology makes the social system more complex. Technological changes cause social changes. Population in a region might get uprooted and pattern of social life may be disturbed. So I hope you understand the topic of impact of technology. Thank you very much.